What? Big shopping. Oh, I go on.
In here.
No.
Big old hurricane. I come here.
How your name?
Milton.
I have a friend named Zainu.
Yeah,
I have a friend named Zainu.
No, this is one nobody friend. This is one I do create damages.
Man, I have a thief in friend named someone.
You know, so when they come here, I can't find one of my coat not them from the tree. I want to find you.
I'm Milton thief, man.
But anyways, I want to storm go. I want to blow breeze. I want to come and destroy things. I want to thief things that destroy.
So at a Milton thief, you can't find back a regular thing for him, man.
But anyways, see, I'm my groceries. You can't it, you know. You can't it. You never tap me, you know.
And it's a Milton Taiwan string funny.
No, this is the string for half. I need not tell you because you're part with Milton and Terry. But anyways, as I was saying, gotta come in. I gotta come in. A signs.
So when I was a little breeze, I like and talk about God. Tell about you know.
A signs to show you say my company want to prepare.
Prepare for what?
For his entrance. He's coming.
Now companion dirty going,
Eh? Yeah, he's going dirty fish, you know. He's going dirty one. That's a me have shoes. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm not for a fish, you know.
Yeah, man, making fun.
You're not
in a better way. No, Sam, you're in a better way, man.
Oh, when the Lord, when the Bible says, when the Lord is coming,
yeah,
nothing can stop it. He will be here and he will be there in the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we now have no fear. Okay. Make sure you write that down because that's a special part of the Bible.
Right.
Okay. But as I was saying, I'll go up, you know, because I follow you and make you go, you know?
Yeah. Anything you say?
Yeah, I'm going up.